First thing first, I'm gonna be outlining my brow. So the trick for a perfect brow, you need to like have a sharp pencil. Mine is not really sharp because I have to stand up and go to the bin and sharpen, and on top of that look for a sharpener, so I'm not in the mood for that. So I'm just gonna be outlining, following the shape of my brow. Okay, I'm gonna do the same for the bottom. So my trick is when I get to the bottom, because I want to make sure the shape is 100, I like to look like do this thing raising my brows. So and then I follow, draw a line underneath, and voila. So I'm gonna do the same for my other side. So now using that same pencil, I'm gonna start at the tip of my tail, the tip of the tail of the brow. Ooh, guys, English ran away. So what I'm gonna do is start filling in my brows. So you start filling in. Don't mind if you damage everything and the tail doesn't look sharp anymore. We're gonna fix that at the end. So what you want to do is just keep filling in. Just fill in. Fill in. So when I get to the front right here, I like to leave it like that. The reason being, I don't want a block brow. Okay, so you can't. The next thing you're gonna need is a spoolie brush. Mine is broken, but I have alternatives right here. You can just buy this thing. The thingies are broken here, but we just need the side. You can also use a mascara wand as long as it's old and you have removed the mascara and all that stuff. So I'm gonna be taking my wand and I'm just gonna be right here in front. I'm just gonna be brushing my hairs up like that. So do you see what happens? The front part becomes tends to look natural, and it doesn't look like that fake, so we don't have like that block brow. Taking some concealer onto my brush, not too much, and we're just gonna be outlining. For this, like, you need to focus for this. So what you want to do, raise your brows. That is done. Okay, never mind about the thingy, the LA girl thingy. Do the same for the side. So I'm gonna be cleaning up the top of my brow. You can use literally like any small brush, but I'm gonna be using my eyeshadow blending brush for this process. I'm just gonna be blending it out carefully. Follow the shape. So, hello guys, you need to blend, okay? Some people never do that. So that's basically